Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started into the video, I did want to start off by saying if you guys could please subscribe to my channel. I do want to get to at least 500 subs by the end of the month. I'm very excited to film this video. I've been waiting forever for this cloth and paper subscription box. I think the packaging is beautiful. But like I said before, if you guys could subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you do end up liking it. Yeah, I'm super excited to do this unboxing for you guys. It is their November box. It's my first subscription box from them, so I'm very excited to see what I got. Yeah, I have a feeling it's gonna be good stuff though. But yeah, so if you are interested in seeing what is in this cloth and paper November box, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so here's the box. Super cute. Such a cute box. I love that it's all black with the white on it. Very, very, very simple but cute at the same time. So let's see. Oh no, it's ripped. It's okay. So what it has right here says, "Thank you for your purchase with cloth and paper and for making us who we are." And then it has like a code and stuff, and then there's that. Then it says Penspiration Test Sheet. Looks like there's already pens at the top. So let's bring these out real quick and then talk about these first, and then we'll get into the rest of what is in the actual box. Okay, so it comes in this little bag that says there's luxury and simplicity. Super cute. I love the Ziploc feature to it. So let's just pull these all out. Okay, so let's check this one out first. It doesn't say who this is by. It's in Chinese, but it is a 0.5 millimeter pen. So let's see. Let's test this bad boy out. I really like the color of it. And the spring feels nice too. Look at that pretty gold, but it's a 0.5. So let's take that off. And we'll just practice my name. Ooh, I love the way this writes. Oh my god, I love this. Super, 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 super good writing. I love it. I really like this pen, and I love the gold on it with the white. Super cute. Okay, this one looks like it's a red inked one. It does not say who it's by, but it's a 0.5. Let's try that one out. I hate these little things, like taking them off. I did for this one. Oh my god, I love how bright the red is. Oh my god, guys. So pretty. That red is so freaking pretty. Like, look at that. Oh my god, this red is great. It writes very smoothly. I love this. I like this one a lot, but this one so far is still my favorite. Now, this one is a 0.5, and this one actually is a mechanical pencil. I haven't used a mechanical pencil in a very long time. I'm more of a pen person, but let's see how this one is. I love how lightweight it is. It feels super light. But I don't really think I'd use it too much just because I don't use pencils at all. Okay, let's check this one. Ooh, this is so fancy, and it looks like it's a mechanical pencil. Hold on. I don't know, is it? Oh yeah, it's a mechanical pencil. This one is a 0.5 as well. It's a 2B 0.5. I'm not quite sure who this is by either, but super, super classy. I love it. I like this one way more better. It feels more like not cheap. This one kind of felt a little bit cheap. but this one I like, super classy. Okay, this one must be good. It's in a packaging, but it's a mechanical pencil, a 0.5. It's all in Chinese though, so let's see. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, the grip on this. Oh gosh, guys, I love this. Like, it has a really good grip on it. Can you see that? This is just a grip. I love it. And it's nice and thick too. Let's see. Alright guys, I think I figured out which ones I like the most. So I'd have to say this one is my favorite for a pen. I love the way it writes, and I love the cute packaging on it. As far as the mechanical pencils go, I would say these two are my favorite. I like this one just because of how classy and professional it looks, but I like this one because of the grip that it has on it. So, very hard decision. Alright. So it says, why, hello there, with tissue paper. Oh my god, I love this. I am an F. Oh my god, I'm going to keep this in my personal planner. This is so cute. And this one says Jajor. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I love the matte black on that. So cute. So here are some inserts. It's a gift planner, and it says name, gift, price, and then whether it was sent or not. I love it. So cute. Oh, look. Next we have some all black paper clips. I absolutely love these. Very, very cute. I can't wait to use these. But look at that. It has a little cloth and paper right there. Oh my god, I was hoping I was gonna get this. It's the rose gold pen that they have. I'm gonna set this aside and show you guys last. The next thing I received were the gift shopping trackers. I'm not quite sure if I would really use these, only because I feel like once you're shopping, you don't really have time to write down everything. But these are super cute. I love them. And then I have a thank you card inserts. Yeah, I think these are super cute. The next thing we have in here are 2 sets of sticky notes. I love these. Like, I literally like them so much. I don't even know if I want to use them. But they're super cute, and I like how it has a line on it so you know where you're actually writing instead of just jotting it down. So, super cute. I can't wait to use these. The next thing I have is this message card thingy. Super cute. Oh my god, look at the gold foiling on that, guys. Like, it says the date, callback number, message, taken by, urgent, yes or no. Like, these are so freaking cute. Like, I absolutely love this. I am excited. I don't even know if I want to use them just because how pretty they are. Now, for the rest, we have this black, white, and clear folder. I'm not quite sure what they are for, to be honest. Obviously for paper, but yeah. So I guess these are cute. It'd be very classy to like keep these in your purse, you know, for like important documents or bills or whatever is what I would probably use them for. But I'm not entirely sure what they're meant to be for. But I love them, super cute. And it has the button enclosure on it. I like it. And that is it. That is in my cloth and paper box. So let's get back to this bad boy and see how she writes. Okay, super excited. So pretty. This is in a 0.5 as well, and I believe it might be from the same brand. Oh, this is from Hidaria. You feel even more classier, but let's see how this writes. I'm gonna do it right here. Now, I'm not too impressed with the writing of it, quality of the pen itself, like the packaging on it is so cute. Like, I think it's a more for looks type of pen. I have to say, the one that the other gold one I was using at first, this one is the one that I like the most. This is the writing I'm with right now, and I don't really like it too much, but it's so cute. Like, oh my god. I would just get this because of the packaging, to be honest. Okay guys, that is it for my cloth and paper unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to subscribe to my channel, and check out my last video. I'll see you next time. Bye.